Four important money lessons by Warren Buffett, my favorite teacher and the favorite teacher of most of the investors across the world. Even now, almost like this four important lessons came in 1965 in his annual shareholder letter. Till now, this holds good. Till now, he's following the simple principle. And simple is difficult. Let's discuss about those four simple money lessons, and then share. Let's discuss about, is it simple or is it complex, and how many people are following this simple rule. So hi, hello, this is Ganesh Sinturu, your stock market profit coach and author of the book One Page Stock Market Plan. And today we are going to discuss about four important money lessons shared by our favorite teacher, Warren Buffett. The first and foremost important lesson is invest only that you can understand, meaning the companies which you can understand. It can be a sector, it can be anything in life, right? Whatever it is, if it is an investment, you should understand that fully, and then only you should put in your money. For example, if you are investing in a Coal India company, just an example, okay, the operation and how it is working, the management, it is a PSU company, all these data you should comprehend and see that is it positive cash flow every year. All these data you should be able to understand, and then only you should invest. For me, my comfortable zone is FMCG because it's quite easy to understand how this works, because the company generates the product and the people pay the money, the company gets the money immediately, and then the cash flow keeps rotating, and at any point of time this FMCG keeps ringing, the cash flow keeps ringing. It can go up and down, but the point is the company keeps ringing if it is a good management, and all these points can be got from Google and all these company websites, right? So the only invest in the company which you can understand, but most of the time what you do, you just go through all the sectors based on which chart is working, which pattern is working. You lose the plot itself, right? Looking after the pattern, you lose the plot of making more money in stock market. So the next thing is favorable long-term prospectus. Anything in life, if you are using it again and again and again and again and again, then it means that you are going to use that product forever, and that is a product that is a company you should hold in your portfolio. Very simple. Favorable long-term prospectus. The FMCG products, the consumer durable products, the banking and financials, all these are companies which the management is good, means automatically you will use that for lifetime, and that is the kind of company you should choose, and that is called as favorable long-term prospectus. Because in the long term, will you be able to create wealth? That is the ultimate point of investing in stock market itself. And the third point is the management honest and competitive, meaning they should be transparent enough. If there isn't any issue, is the management coming open and acknowledging that? And how competitive is they are. If there is a car company newly coming up, how Maruti is tackling that new competition, and if there is any new addition in the car company or anything new advanced, how these existing Maruti or Tata Motors is going to manage and overcome all these things. This is the advantage of investing. This is once you know this, you will always be clear that you will get the conviction. Yes, my invested company is doing all things needed so that they are competitive, they are staying ahead of the market. So that is the point we are discussing. Is this management honest and competitive enough in countering the new things coming from the new companies? And finally, you decided all these 3 points, the most important, right? And once this is done, the fourth point is it available at attractive price? The very important thing is it available at attractive price? You may be buying a consumer durables or pharma or whatever company it is. Just look at, you wanted to buy a company which is going up and up and up. Let's take Reliance, it is going up and up. Is it a good buy right now, or are you looking at long-term prospectus and everything is good? But is it available at an attractive price? If it is not, you will just keep your money safe with you, and you will look after some other company. You will not invest in that company. It will be in your radar, you will be looking after it, but you will not invest in that company. Because that is the reason Warren Buffett is sitting in a cash worth of more than $145 billion. If he is sitting in a $145 billion, just think of, he can purchase anything. It is more than most of the country's GDP. That is the amount of money he's holding, but still he's not investing in any company, because he's ultimately saying that I don't find any attractive valuation. That is the reason I'm not going after it. But if anything is coming, he can go like anything, because he's having the lots of cash. I will say much bigger than what India is having, much bigger than because US itself is in deficit, but this guy is sitting in a huge cash positive of $145 billion, and that is the reason I'm saying If he is sitting and idle and seeing that nothing is good in among these US stocks or across the world, he is waiting. So can you wait and pick a good stock? That is the point. If you can find attractive valuations, you can enter. If you can implement this and works, just believe that you will become one of the greatest investor, and you will be rich and you'll stay wealthy. That is the point. You'll not only become rich, you'll stay wealthy. And I can say one more person who followed this to the point. He just followed all these points and he became one of the greatest investors. I'm talking about Monish Pabrai. He's one of the greatest investors, and he just quit his job and become an ardent follower of Warren Buffett. And from that time till now, he has accumulated money like anything. For him, more than money, it's all about finding the knack of picking stocks or picking the investment product which multiplies, which is growing. That is what he's saying, right? Even Warren Buffett, he's having all the money in life. He's very, very old. He has pledged to donate 99% of his wealth to the give pledge group separately, philanthropy group. But still he's still active in picking reading books, still active. Remember, he's 91, still active in reading books, still manages a lots of money. He's having people working for him, but still he's still active. That is the point. How many of you are ready to learn a lot and then invest your money? This is what I am teaching in my stock market webinar. Please join in and join the course so that you will know how to implement all these techniques in a fund by doing fundamental analysis, and you will start making money and create wealth in life. Thank you so much for watching. Please click the description to know more and join the webinar. Thank you so much. Please share this video with your friends on this auspicious day of Teachers Day, and see you later tomorrow. Thank you.